Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am sharing a very easy trick for smoky winged eyeliner look, and you can also watch this video in Hindi from settings. So let's get started. So first I'm moisturizing my skin with some Dot and Key moisturizer, and the texture of this moisturizer is really watery and hydrating. I usually prep my face off camera. So now I'm applying an SPF to protect my skin under my makeup, and this is also very hydrating. So if you're not moisturizing well, you're skipping on a good base makeup. Now I'm just combing my brows because natural brows are in trend. And now for the eye makeup, I'm using this paper band-aid because I want a very snatched eyeliner, and this will guide me perfectly. And you can also use any sellotape if you don't want to use this. Now I'm prepping my eyelids with some concealer. This is a very mandatory step if you're applying any kind of a eyeshadow on your eyes, because this will literally make your eyeshadow last longer, and also the color payout will be good. And if you're not comfortable or confident with the eyeshadow thing, this band-aid tricks comes really handy. So now I'm taking a face powder and I'm setting my eyes so my eyeshadow will blend perfectly and also will not make my eyeshadow crease. So yeah, now I'm taking this elf bite size eyeshadow in the shade truffle, and I'm taking this black eyeshadow and I am drawing a very thin eyeliner. And you don't have to be very precise with it because anyways we are going to smudge it up later on. And I am here using an eyeliner brush, but you can use any lip brush or any tiny brush that you have in your vanity. This is the easiest way to apply any eyeliner without doing any kind of a blunder. So now I'm taking this dark brown shade and I am smudging the liner on the outer part of my eye in a V shape, as you can see here. And this palette is really pigmented, so use less amount of the product and build the color slowly, because anyways we are going to diffuse it with some another color and your eye should look like this. And now I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm applying it on my crease line and also on the rest of my eye, just to diffuse that dark brown color. This is such a pretty brown color, it literally matches my skin tone, and I am just diffusing the dark brown shade meets the light one, so nothing will look more patchy and everything look like seamlessly blended and flawless. So yeah, this is the eye makeup done, and now I'm removing the band-aids. As you can see, I have a very sharp line here. And anyways, after cleaning it, I am just applying a pen eyeliner, and I'm not showing any crazy eyeliner skill here. I am just tracing the line that we have already created, and I am also applying it on like outer part of my eye. I am not going like a full on glamorous mode. I am just defining the wing, and anyways this is the easiest way to apply eyeliner. So now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I am blending everything in so everything will look more seamless and blended. So yeah guys, now I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm diffusing my lower lash line just to make it look like it is connected to the wing eyeliner. And I have skipped my base makeup for this video, but because I wanted to focus more on the eye makeup. And this is it guys, this is just a last minute touch up because I wanted a little more of a brown. So yeah, this is it guys. I as usual forgot to apply mascara, so I'm applying it now. But if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.